What up, what up, what up? Good morning. This is your boy Warren Get Right Read. I got another tutorial for you, man. I don't know, man. I've been energized. I've been knocking these things out as of late. Here's another one. Here's you don't have to spend thousands and hundreds of thousands on autotune if you don't want to. If you want to, it'll help. I'm not going to say it's you don't have to at all, but you really don't have to at all. That's what's shocking about it. So here's reasons. You know, my favorite DAW. If you want to use what I use, I'll definitely put a link down in the description. So here we go, man. This is what you won't do. This is performed by Daniel James. I'm putting his link in the description. He's sharp with it. He's strumming the summer squash out of this damn guitar. So let's play this thing real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, that you don't have to spend thousands and hundreds of thousands on tuning. Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Ooh, showing my age right there. Damn, Daniel. Strumming. Go ahead.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within.
Who's that singing like that? It's me.
I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
Yeah.
My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well,
These notes. So let's let's get into it real quick. Let's get into it. There is a part up around here where I'm not like really too feeling my vocals up here. Like, so let's get into it right here.
In my world, only you made me do for love what I would not do.
Ooh, damn,
Some
Daniel.
people go around the world for love, and they may never find what they dream of.
All right, so right
Where
here,
you want
I'm not too happy with this part. So let's break it down. Like earlier, you click, highlight the clip, highlight your audio clip, what you want to work with. Up here, the gods, the trinity of edits. Here we go. You have slice, pitch, and compound. We want the pitch. Pow. And you see it looks very familiar, very similar. If you're in this, if you've been doing like a lot of tuning and stuff like that, it's very similar to Melodyne. Like, it has its own Melodyne within inside this system. Again, this is all inside Reasons. As soon as you get it, it's all in there waiting to be used. It's crazy. So that's why I say, man, you gotta spend hundreds and thousands for somebody to auto tune it, and like, you could really just chill here and get it yourself. So let's listen.
some people go around the world for love.
These wiggly lines that you see are vibrato. You know, so let's say if I were to highlight it, right?
They never find.
And that's the part right there. That's what I don't like. But let's get it right here. We're gonna hold Alt, and that brings my left. And I believe Command or Window or Control. I know it's the swiggly window. Let's call it the swiggly wavy hashtag thing on Apples, and that brings my right locator, because that's all I want to do is work in here.
They may never find what they dream of, and they may never find what they dream of, and they may never find what they dream of.
So here, when you come into pitch, you'll see you have transition, you have jump, you got snap, you got fine. Fine is the one I want to work with because I'm a fine motherfucker. So you'll see that it'll slide and ease it into there. Let's call it the wavy hashtag. Bow Z. And it takes me, it undoes that for me, because I only want one at a time.
Never find what they dream of, never find.
So let's see where we at.
never find what they dream of, and they may never find what they dream of, and they may never find what they dream of, and they may never find what they dream of.
You can take the vibrato down.
What they dream of.
Let's do. Give me some solo on that.
Never find what they dream of. They may never find.
And just like that, you auto-tuned it. You tuned it up. This thing is powerful, man. Go ahead, have fun. I don't make long videos. You're gonna go hand with this. If you want some more about the pitch edit, let me know. But you can go ham. There's so much stuff you can do. So much money this thing is going to save you when it comes to your music production. There's a lot of stuff that's already in here that kills me. If you want some more on the auto tune, on their own exclusive pitch edit hyphen their own Melodyne, it's crazy, man. I just like, there's so much stuff in here, man. But again, love me, like it, subscribe it, and come back and we can vibe again. All right, have a good one. Be safe, have fun, make some fire ass music. 1.